Hello everyone, I'm Miss Khin from the Eastlake Public Library. I will show you how to make a finger painting today. So let's paint some dandelions. It's easy and fun. You will need a piece of paper, any color except white, green and brown, a paintbrush. We will paint with our fingers, but we still need a paintbrush for the painting. 3 paint colors, green, brown and white. I will use acrylic paints. A small paper plate. We will use it as our paint palette. Small cups of water to wash our paint and our fingers. And some paper towels. Pour some paint, small amount of paints on the paint palette. In brown paint. In white. Use a paintbrush to draw some green lines. Like this. I will draw 3 stems for the dandelion stems. Draw 1 more stem. Green lines are for the dandelion stems. Then add some flower heads with green paint. Like this. Okay. Now we have 3 dandelion stems in the flower heads. Wash your brush in the water. And let it dry with paper towel. We're going to use the brush again. After that, to complete the flower center, use your brush and paint round circles over the green flower head. Like this. Okay, another round circle to complete the center of the flower. Here's another brown circle to complete the flower center. So now we complete the flower center. Set your brush aside. Here comes the fun part. Now we will paint the dandelion flowers by using our index fingers. Dip the tip of your index finger in white paint. Not too much though. Paint small circles around brown flower center. Use the tip of your index finger. Okay, make the circle bigger. And bigger. Okay, let's paint another dandelion flower over here. Isn't it fun? Kind of like you're painting and playing at the same time. Right? Okay, let's paint the center one. Use your tip of your index finger. Don't worry about making a mess. Or you can paint like this, like the dandelion spores are flying in the wind. Okay, I'll paint a little more. Here you go. Now, wash your finger. Let it dry. We will paint green grass around the bottom of the painting by using our pinky. Let's do it together. Okay, paint here. Okay, we're almost done. You can make more dandelion flowers if you like. Wash your pinky. Let it dry. We're done with our finger painting. If you would like to make a finger painting card, fold the paper in half before you paint. I hope you enjoy making a finger painting today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.